Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can improve the video quality by only using the color adjustment in CapCut Mobile. So here, you just need to add your video and then go straight to adjust and follow the settings. So for the contrast, increase it to 20 and saturation 7, sharpen 100. And now click on the highlight and increase it to 8 and shadow lower it to -10. Click on the check icon. So this is the result. If needed, you can also increase the sharpen again, and if it's too strong for your video, you can lower on or decrease the previous settings that I show you. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.